Hey guys, Snow64 here, and I'm just walking back from going to the den, which I don't know if you'll get to see or not. Just trying to. Oh, hang on. There we go. But yeah, pretty good. It's raining, so it's shitty British weather. Fuck you, weather. Yeah, fucking piece of shit. But yeah, RC is still not charged. It's a free Xbox Live weekend, so if you want to play Modern Warfare 3 or any of my multiplayer games, send me a message on Xbox Live. Doubt anyone will see this though, because nobody hardly ever watches my vlogs. I've only got one subscriber. Hi. Yeah, it looks like you're getting rid of some drawers.
Yeah.
And yeah. It's about 4:02 in the afternoon, and I haven't had lunch yet. But yeah, one of my friends online said that you only got five videos on. I know that, but I don't care because I'm uploading more and more. I mean, hopefully I'm going to be able to do a long, well, not long, I'm going to be able to do, ow, shit, hit the phone, a long, well, hopefully I'll be able to do them every day. Got my little sister's sports day on Wednesday. It's going to be fun. Wish I could record that for you guys, but can't. Disclaimers and all that. I've got to get my old phone working properly so that I can upload on that one. Because if I do a load now, if I do a 14-minute and 33-second video, I'll have no more recording time left on my phone unless I delete a load of videos. So yes, thanks a lot, stupid storage. Now back home, I'm going to get something to eat. Played with someone who's modded their gamer profile. Absolute asshole. Do that. But yeah, rocking the ACDC high voltage t-shirts. Not mine, my nan bought it. So yeah, pretty good. Right. So yeah, and there's a man. So yeah, and just keep you there. So yeah. Sorry for long pauses, but I'm hungry. No one can freaking stop. Back in a minute. I know. Should I? What, you can heal from this? Get some of that lettuce, mate. So, yeah. How long are we going for? 6 minutes. Hang on. Voila. And there we have it. Alright. That's a wrap. I might have some beans on toast later. I don't know. Sorry about this, guys. But I've hardly had anything today. I had a bowl of Weetabix and a cucumber, and that's it. But yeah. It's alright. I've got to have this all last me the whole weekend, and it's only Saturday. I make a good wrap. I mean this sort, not music. But yeah. Sorry. Can't do the sort of shots that I did with in the kitchen. But yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, like, comment and subscribe, and Peace.